Namaste to all. I am Sakthivel Rajan from 6th. Today is World Environmental Day. I am going to give speech on ecosystem restoration. Why is it necessary to restore the ecosystem? Now, ecosystem and environment are not the same as before. The ecosystem is mainly impacted by humans. Humans eliminated many species and disrupted the natural environment. Ecosystem degradation have emerged as such one of the biggest environmental threats around the world. Ecosystem restoration is a process of reversing the degradable of ecosystem. Now it's the responsible for human to restore the ecosystem. There are many ways to restore the ecosystem. We should save the earth by save water and natural resources. Reduce, reuse, recycle.